Hey everyone, and welcome back to Remember This Tech. You see behind me, we got a junky old thrown away PC. Oh, not just any PC, a Gateway 2000. And it has, I don't know what's in it. I have a Pentium sticker. E3000 is what it says for the model. But I see an iOmega zip drive 100 in here. Floppy and CD-ROM drive. Let's take a look really quick, flip it around. Dusted it off first before I brought it inside. We've got a Sound Blaster Live card from what I can see. This is a 10100 NIC. It had 64 mega stick and I upgraded it. I forgot what model that is. It was PC 100 or 133, one floppy channel. But there's 3 ISA slots, 3 PCI slots. That's pretty cool. Let's get right to it. Popped open the CPU and guess what? It's a Pentium 233 megahertz MMX CPU, the fastest they made before they went to the Pentium 2. Super excited. Let's get Windows 98 disk, format the drive, and see if we can revive it. This Gateway Pentium 233 megahertz MMX CD-ROM doesn't run. It's broken. So I gotta take my IDE Sony here and use it so we can install Windows 98. Let's get it in. Alright, so I added some more RAM to this Pentium 233 from the Gateway. I got a compact flash adapter in here, which is actually like an SD card, because I only had a 520 meg drive before, so we're gonna put this in here. Got more RAM, and I'm gonna load Windows 98 and see if we can't get it to run better. Oh, well, we gotta. Should. All right. It's so eerie that there's no hard drive noise in this old machine with that compact flash, and it's so fast. Yes, the wear leveling, the write, as many writes as Windows 98 and 95 do, you're going to have to shut off the swap file access to the drive. So, that being said, but it's just like picking up this new hardware for this Gateway incredibly fast. It's unbelievable. I don't know if this has Ultra DMA 3366. I know it's not 100. I'm pretty sure it's not. So, it's a Socket 7 motherboard. As far as I know. Look, it picked it up. I put in a ATI Graphics Pro Turbo 64 and picks up the Sound Blaster maybe. We gotta browse, we gotta tell where to go. It's really dumb. But if it finds most of it, then we're good to go and we'll just have to do a few things, which would be great. And welcome to Windows 98. We are now on the desktop. Let's see what it picked up and what it didn't. Alright, so yeah, doesn't really tell me what the processor is, but alright, so this is probably the onboard. And my mouse picked up the network dial-up adapter, so we'll have to update the driver on this Sound Blaster. So I think that's how we're going to end this video. A little short, but it was fun getting this old Gateway back in action, and personally I had no idea what was in there. Finding the 233 Pentium MMX chip in there was a huge score by itself. Well, I was just excited to see it come back to life. Got Windows 98 on there now. I use the SD adapter with the IDE adapter to replace a hard drive because, you know, those drives are getting rare now. And we'll just have to see what we can do. Maybe upgrade it some more, tweak and max out the RAM. It only came with like 96 meg of RAM. I think I can get it up to 384, maybe 512, as each of the memory banks only take 256 meg, but we'll see what kind of RAM I have on hand to do that. I think in the next video we're going to upgrade it. Like I said, maybe we can see if it can handle a little bit of extra graphics card boost in there. Maybe play some glide games, you never know. If you're interested in that sort of thing, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Stay tuned for future content, maybe featuring an upgraded version of this gateway. And see what we can get out of it for some retro gaming on Windows 98. So thanks for watching. Remember this tech.